So, as usual, I'm going out again, and this is my dilemma. So tonight is day night. We're going somewhere, and that's a dilemma. We don't know again. Now, I tried to use a trick that I think is very essential for guys out there. Whenever your girl or anyone you're going out with wants to go out, do not choose the restaurant. I repeat, do not choose a restaurant, especially if the person is a very picky person. So what I did, I tried that, and I was like, yo, anywhere you want to go, choose. Now, not to be balling or anything like that, but the person will know either what your pocket is, or or they'll be willing to help you to pay for the meal, right? I did that, and we went through a list of restaurants, and nothing came up really. So now I'm in that dilemma, waiting, wondering where the wind blows tonight. It's Friday night. I hope this watch is working correctly. I think it's the 17th, and we're going out. It's raining, maybe a party pooper, but we don't know where we're going to go. But those are good struggles. Those are really good struggles. Oh, before I go, guys, if you like these vlogs, if you like the videos that I'm putting out, click the like button. Yo, show support, clicking the like button, send me a comment. I'm always willing and happy to talk to you guys. Other persons message me and ask for advice and stuff, or talk about random stuff. Interact, click the like button, show that you like the video, and I hope you guys enjoy tonight's outing. Bye. Hey. Alright guys, so I just decided to choose where we're going. We're heading to Nirvana. I've been here once. It was very good. It's like Indian food. So that's what I'm feeling for. So we're about to get there in the city rain. And hopefully you're gonna have a good experience. Yeah, it's pretty dope, right? It smells good. The machikas, they are Indian. Thank you, sir. So, fortunately, she really enjoys like the atmosphere so far, like how the way it looks. So I'm very happy with that, because here it has like this kind of high class look, because everything in here is like golden and just shining and stuff, and really clean. Food smells very Indian. So if you're into Indian food, you can come here and try it. And yeah, so we're about to pick in, not even pick in, I mean we're about to order and see what exactly is on the menu at the moment. So what are we getting for appetizers? Like, I am so hungry, like legitimately I waited the whole day for this. They look beautiful, by the way. Any ideas? Chicken soup? I don't know. I'm not too sure. So she's complaining that I didn't hug her. So you guys think? Do you guys think that we should be like really awkward and just hugging here? Like, really like really awkward, right? Alright, Jesus.
I don't want your hug.
Go be a hug. You feel good? Why? Why?
You're weird.
What is that? You want one more hug? Oh, we're not ready.
You're into my list.
Me? No.
Can you read a second?
What? Yeah, I want the Punjabi samosa. Sounds good. And then huh? For appetizer? No. I want Punjabi.
What's the one sauce?
Like Chinese.
And what's the mancho?
Soy sauce, broth.
Look at that face.
What do you think I should say?
For what? Dinner? Or for side?
Wonton chicken. Sweet corn chicken.
I don't know. Take the chicken. Get some protein.
Yeah, but you have once and you have mancho, you have sweet corn with asparagus, you have tom yum, something.
Just choose one.
These are the soup. And this is what you want, you select and put in there.
Okay, I'll take the one. Wait, what is it that over again?
Chinese.
She don't like Chinese. Anything on there that's not Chinese?
Wonton is like Chinese,
It's just like a dumpling. I want it's kind of like a dumpling. It's nice.
I trust you.
Here, I know. Because I need to
Okay,
get
I'll
it.
try it. You're paying for it.
So I'm really happy that you guys see what I have to put up with in terms of selections. Because she get really miserable when you come at the certain things on her face. If you see the stare that she's giving me right now, it's death. It's literally like, catch it. Did I catch it? Catch I smile now.
I have lobster.
Yeah, I don't think I want lobster. I mean, I typically really like lobster, but this time I think I want to go with, because I had lobster here the last time I went, and it was pretty good. But I think this time I want to go with shrimp. That's my side chick right there, shrimp. It's not lobster, it's shrimp. So I think I want something with curry or something like that. So I'm gonna pre that out and help this man get this menu out already. Because we're here vlogging and we should be eating or deciding. You're not ready for now still, but I'm going to be ready soon. So what I'm looking at, guys, is the Malar koi shrimp or prawn. It has ginger, garlic. Well, you guys can read, but yeah. Or the houseboat curry fish or prawn. So which one do you think I should get? Huh?
First.
She's not even listening to me. Alright, I think I'll go in with this one. The curry fish prawn.
Hear what you're saying.
Where you order what me I order for?
I didn't hear what you said.
You want the Malabar and I take the one below it? Alright. So she's going with the Malabar and I'll go with the houseboat curry prawn. Yeah, that's what I'm going to go with. Huh?
What is that from?
It's like it's a hard shell shrimp. Like when they call it crayfish.
The dark color one?
I don't really know about the color. Well, it turned red. All them turn red in hot water. But it's hard shell. That's all I know. Usually.
Taking the prawn?
Yeah. Not taking the fish. What are you taking? Fish?
You know, some allergic to seafood. No. I'm not allergic to seafood. I'm allergic to shellfish.
What make you look like you're upset to wait for me for? You're supposed to wait for me. She got her food, but like mine isn't here as yet, so. Thank you. So I got my dish. It's a vagina. Look at vagina, okay? Anyway.
Can I start eating now?
No.
Just want to ask one question. I got one request. I never asked nobody for nothing. I ran the streets. I did wrong. I tried to make it on my own.
Yo, the worst thing is like when you don't know how to eat the food that I'm doing. How do I eat this? No, seriously. It's such a weird food. Ah. Tell me if you like this.
Wait, shelf in here?
No, baby, it's peace. Full of spice. I feel like I eat one Indian. Alright, I'll get the houseboat then. Give me the houseboat with prawns, please. Where are you getting the drinks?
This is from
What? Okay, can I... Should that enough for me? 1 7 and on?
Automatically rice will come.
Okay.
So 2 will be good. For the both of you.
No, you're taking naans, right? It's like a bread. It's an Indian bread. It's really good. It's nice. Yeah, so give me 2 servings and naan then.
It's just a protein item, right? So I need to earn I'll just get the steamed basmati.
Automatically steamers will come.
Yeah, rice comes with it.
You want basmati rice? Huh? Pardon?
That's what I was asking. It's just the protein item.
All the curries come with steam rice.
So for me, this dish is like, it's not bad, but it's very rich in like very rich in like spices, which is okay, especially if you like curry food. But I forgot to use it with these. I think this is like tamarind sauce, which would be good to neutralize that. So I will eat it with this, and then I can tell you guys if it's really good or if it's horrible. But I think it's really authentic. It tastes like what I would expect Indian food to be like. I mean, like going through those 4 sauces just now was like a whole friggin' mystery. But the sauces do help, definitely. I think I like the tamarind sauce with it. It's kind of good. I had one sauce that was kind of like spicy. Another one that was kind of like cucumberish, coolish, which I like too. And the orange one was kind of like tangy, like. But the sauces with it definitely make it awesome. What's my soup? Now give me a nice soup. Greedy. Nice. Tastes good? Awesome. Yo, you're gonna just share some of our soup thing with me? Fantastic. Yo, I swear to God. It's like the wonton obviously is like a dumpling type of thing. Like inside is like chicken. But it has this kind of nutty flavor to it, right? There's some form of nuttiness to it, like almost kind of smokish, but not kind of smokish. Yo, it's really good. I wish I had that instead of this. This is hard is an experiment. Very experimental, but it's good. But the soup, yo, I'd come back and have that. What's the soup name?
Wonton chicken.
Wonton chicken soup. It's really good. No.
You want your own. We don't need any drinks. We don't need no drinks.
You want to just get desserts instead? No, that makes no sense. $6.50 for our drinks. Because it's like the same amount of money for a glass of wine. no sense. Yeah, so that don't really make no sense, guys. Like we're not getting any drinks tonight. For me, I definitely don't like drinking mixed liquor either, because it's like I never quite drink it off, especially when I'm eating. If it's like if it's like if it's like if it's like white wine, then it's different. If it's like white wine, then I drink it at Moscato. Otherwise, I don't really like it. I go drink water instead because the water tastes really good. I'm not gonna lie, the water tastes good. Look at that big bread. Yeah. Ah, thank you. So here we got naan, we got what's this babe? Houseboat shrimp. Yeah, prawn. That's what's that?
Malabar curry.
Malabar curry fish, and we have rice and the leftover sauce that we have. It looks really good, guys. Like I love naan bread, but no, it's not roti, it's naan. But this vlog is gonna be like really short because I don't really have time to be doing this while we have to eat. So this vlog is gonna be really short, and I apologize, man. Yeah, because like on a night like this, definitely I don't really want to do vlogging, but I kind of want you guys to see what I do sometimes during the week, you know, when I'm not like taking an adventure and stuff. So we're about to pig into this food, and I'll tell you exactly how it is and how much we're enjoying it. Banging. Very strong.
Yeah, not coffee Indian.
For me, definitely you are not coffee Indian. But for me, I have in the curry shrimp, curry prawn, yo, trust me. For me personally, the flavors are so damn good. The flavors are so rich. I said that we're going to not really vlog much, but maybe help us with that too. So the flavors are so damn good. Yo, trust me. If you want to try curry food, you'll come right there. So we got done eating and we're having this thing. What is this? Coffee? Whatever. It's like some plain ice cream kind of thing. So that's what we're gonna have. And yeah, I believe so. It looks frozen and it looks kind of creamy. It's a very interesting flavor. It's kind of, it tastes kind of rice porridge-ish, right? Yeah, very rice porridge-ish, but obviously cold. You can taste like vanilla, fresh vanilla. It's good though. Definitely like ice cream, but good. It's really interesting. So, like the food, like that dessert was like off the easy. I liked it. It was just like ice cream, but like with different, whatever, Indianish, whatever. But it was like really good. I'm not gonna lie, it was really good. Food in general was pretty awesome. The ambiance was pretty good. But as I said, it's gonna be a short vlog. Just wanted you guys to see, you know, what we did in the week. But yeah, so. Guys, as always, I'm gonna leave you with 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and don't forget, keep the link.